Hi guys, today I'm just going to show you how to make just a simple pendulum. A pendulum is one of those things that swing back and forth that you measure time with. So we're just going to make a simple one, and you can use some different objects that you might have around your house. They just have to have a little bit of weight to them so that the string goes back and forth. Okay, so what I have is I have some string, and I believe in the activity I put that you could use an eraser, you could use like a nut or a heavier one or something like a washer, and these have quite a bit of weight to them. Okay, and generally the heavier the object, the more the string is going to go back and forth. If it's really light, it'll just go a couple of times and then it'll stop. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to use the string, and you can just tie the object tie the string onto the object, and if you're having trouble with this, you can always get an adult to help you tie it on, because sometimes it can be tricky. Okay, so I did one of the nut washers. Then I can just trim off the excess. And then here, I've just made a simple pendulum. Goes back and forth. All right, now when you do the activity, just remember that when the pendulum swings, so it goes back and forth, that's 1. Back and forth, 2. Back and forth, that's 3. Okay, you can do this with whatever objects you can find around the house. Like I said, an eraser, a AA battery, or even a 9-volt battery, just something with a little bit of weight. Okay, to make your own pendulum. All right, have fun, you guys.